Hey tea lovers! This week we are checking out another newer blend specifically geared towards those who are working on naturally lowering their cholesterol. Organic cholesterol tea is a lightly spiced and minty blend based with PU-ERH. PU-ERH is the base of this blend. This unique tea is a sun-dried and then lightly fermented tea, causing the tea leaves to change color and flavor. PU-ERH appears in this blend because it helps to produce lovastatin, which is used to treat high cholesterol. Because of this, PU-ERH can also lower the risks of heart disease and is an anti-inflammatory. Peppermint adds a refreshing minty flavor to this blend and can aid in lowering cholesterol because it helps to produce bile, which puts cholesterol to better use. Peppermint leaves also contain flavonoids, vitamins, and minerals, which support the immune system. Ginger adds a light spiced flavor to this blend and has been shown to help reduce not only LDL cholesterol, but also total cholesterol and triglycerides. Ginger also helps to soothe the stomach and digestive system. FENUGREEK has been a popular natural supplement for natural cholesterol reduction. Studies have shown that FENUGREEK can lower elevated LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides in the blood. FENUGREEK has also been shown to be beneficial for boosting metabolism. Finally, organic holy basil, also known as tulsi, has been studied to show lowered stress-induced cholesterol. In addition, these studies showed lowered total cholesterol in the kidney, liver, and heart. Let's make a fun, simple hot cocoa recipe using this tea. I'm going to start by heating up some almond milk and then adding some of my cholesterol control tea to a tea bag, securing it, and adding it into the milk. Once that's steeped for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of cocoa powder and use my frother to mix this. I would also recommend adding a little honey for some sweetness. Once it's nice and smooth like this, you're ready to enjoy it. This hot cocoa is delicious, lightly minty, and a little bit spiced. That's all I have for you today for Tea of the Week. I hope you'll give organic cholesterol control a try or suggest it to someone who could benefit from it. All the links for the recipe and the tea will be in the description below, and you can save 20% site-wide with code TREAT20 until Valentine's Day. Have a great rest of your week. Bye-bye!